Hi friends, now we are going to learn how to multiply any numbers from left to right. It is a challenge in front of you. The numbers is 754 multiply with 3. So how to do in mind, how to do from left to right, I will teach you. First you have to multiply this 7 and 3. How much? 7 3s are? Exactly correct. The 21, you have to write 2 big, 1 small. So first you have to write 7 3s are 21, write 2 big and 1 small. Next, this is 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 big, 5 small. 4 3s are 12, 1 big, 2 small. But why you are writing big, small, big, small? I will tell you the reasons. This is not 7. Based on the place value, ones, tens, 100. 7 carries 700. 700 is the place value of this 7. So when you multiply 700 with 3, so 700 into 3. So 3 is 700, 3 times is nothing but 2100. So 2100 or 2100. We can mention the 2000 big, 100 is small. 100 should carry out to the next digit. Now this is 5. Based on the place value system, ones, tens, this is not 5 with the place value 50. When you multiply 50 with 3, 150. So 150, already here we have 100. So that 100 and 150 we have to add. How much? 200 Yes, 250. So 200 I put big 2 and 5 small. Do you understand? 5 small. It is 51. So now 4 ones are 4 into 3, 12. 12 you have to add with here. 50 is carry over. 50 with 12, 62. So the answer is 2262. I will repeat again. First you have to multiply 7 3s are 21. Write 2 big, 1 small. And 5 3s are 15. Here this 1 become 10. You have to carry over 10. 1 become 10. You have to carry over. So 10 plus 15, 25. 3 5s are 50. Added with 10. 10 plus 15 is 25. So write 2 big, 5 small. 4 3s are 12. Add 12 with 50. Become 60. All the carryovers should take with 10. Okay. So 7 3s are 21. 2 carry over 10. This is not 1. You have to think 10. And 5 3s are 15 plus 10, 25. It is not 5, 50. 4 3s are 12 with 50, 62. So this is the method you have to apply to multiply from left to right. So we take one more example. 54 into 3. So what is your first step? 5 3s are 15. Okay, 1. The 50 is carry over. And 4 3s are 12 plus 50. Yes, exactly 62. So answer is 162. Is it easy to multiply from left to right? Can you take this problem? 65 into 4. Exactly correct. So 200 and 60 is the answer. When I say 200, I mean 40 is carry over in my mind. And 20 added with 40 is 60. So like that, when the numbers given to you, you have to try in mind like that. Mind calculation. So mind, you have to multiply until 260. This much time only you have to take to do the calculation in mind. Can you give answer? Yeah, 380. Can you do it in mind? Good. Can you go with this? 83 into 4?
Sir, 332.
Okay. You can do it in 332. Can you give answer in mind without using paper pen? That is a specialty. You should not use paper pen. So what you learn? Answer, please. Correct. 2,732. Is it easy now? Is it easy? Can you go with like that? When 600 into 4, 2,400. So I'm starting with 2,000. And 80 into 4, 320. So 720. And 3 into 4, 12. So answer is 32. So yeah, like that you have to do all the calculation in mind. If you do calculation in mind, it is easy for you. Can you tell answer now? Yeah, the answer is 2612. Can you give answer now? Mind, without paper pen. Okay. Exactly correct. So you have to practice. If you practice many times, you can give answer in mind. So when you have the numbers more than the place value, you have to put dot. So 1401. That is the technique you have to follow. So when you add 80 with 21, it is more than that. 80 and 21, 101. When you have 101, you have to put dot on this 100th place value. So I will tell you again. Here started with 3 4s are 12, right? 1, 2 carry over. And 6 3s are 18. When you add 18 with 20, 38. But next step, we have 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. Adding 21 with the 80. Yeah, 101. So 101, how to write in the 100th place value? Put dot 01. So 1401 is the answer. Whenever you have the digit values more than that, we have to put dot on the previous digit. So this is the method to solve the problem in mind. So you have to take more problems and more practice you have to do. Can you take more problem and more some practice? Okay. Take this number 643 into 4. 6 4s are 24, so you have to start with the 2,572. Can you spell like that if a number is given to you? Take this number 9637 into 7. Yes? So 6,741. So if you practice, you can do it. Understand? So now the question is, I will give you two problems. 253 into 7 plus 136 into 6. Can you do addition of the product in single steps? In single steps you have to do. Sum of product in single steps. Is it a challenge? Come on, take your note and write it. Write challenge number 4. What is your challenge? Sum of product in single steps. We can do sum of products in single steps. How, sir? You multiply 2 into 7, 14. 1 into 6, 6. Add 14 with 6, 20. So write 2 big, 0 small. Understand? Next you take 5 7s are 35. 3 6 are 18. So add 35 plus 18. 35 plus 18. 35 plus 18. 53. Yeah, that 53 right. 5 big, 3 small. Now take unit place. 3 7s are 21. 6 6 are. Add 36 and 21. Plus here 30. 57 plus 30, 87. Is it miracle to you? Have you ever tried like that? So here sum of product we did in single steps. First take 200 into 7, 1400. 100 into 6, 600. So 1400, 600 is 2000. We can write 2, 0 carry over. 50 into 7, 350. 3 into 30 into 6, 180. So by adding 530, correct? 530. So write 5 big, 30 carry over. Here 3 7s are 21, 6 6 are 36. By adding 21, 36, 57, 30 is carry over, 30, 87. So is it possible to do sum of product in single step? Can you try this problem? (54) into 6 plus 36 into 5.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry, sir. Print for sign.
So 5 6 are so you can multiply 5 6 are 30, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 30, 45. So write 4 big, 5 small. And next step 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 24, 54. Already 50 is carry over. 50 plus 54, 104. So for 100 you can increment. You have to increase 1 dot 104, 04. So 504 is your sum of products. Will you please try this number? 345 into 6 plus 46 into 5. You should be careful. Here we have hundreds. Second product there is no 100. There is no 100 in the second part. So now 3 into 6, 300 into 6, 1800. So when you take 1800, 1 big, 8 small, and 6 4s are 24, here 5, 20, 54, 54 with the carryover 8. So 1 1 1 3 4. So put your dot here, so it become 1 more. 5 6 are 30 and 6 5s are 30, so 60 and 100. Again increment. So here put 1 dot, so it become 300. So 2300 is the answer if you go with the things. Can you subtract the product? Can you subtract the product is the question. Multiply 5 6 are 30, 3 5 are 15. You have to subtract now. 30 minus 15, 15. So put 1 big, 5 small. And this is 24. 6 4s are 24. Here 6 5s are 30. When you subtract 30 from 24, minus 6. Minus 6 you have to subtract from 50. 50 minus 6 how much? Yeah, so 144 is the final answer. Here I have 50. From 50 minus 4, 44 is the answer. I will tell you again. 6 5s are 30 and 3 5s are 15. Subtract 15 from 30, 15, 1 big, 5 small. That is 50 is carryover. Here 24 minus 30 minus 6. Subtract 6 from 50, 44. So 144 is your subtracted the product. You try this number. 253 into 7, 136 into 6. Can you do the subtraction of the product in single steps? Two sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 1 6 are 6. Subtract 6 from 14. Answer is 8. You should not write 8. You have to write 0 8. Put 0 big, 8 small. 0 big, 8 small. Now 5. 35 minus 18. 35 minus 18, which is 70. Okay. This is 35 minus 18. So 35 minus 18 less 20, add 2. So 17. That's 17. We have to write 97. And next step 21, 36. So 21 minus 36, which is negative, correct? 21 minus 36. How much? Yeah. That you have to subtract from 700. Okay. We will get 55. So that the correct answer. Yeah, 955 is the correct answer. Here we have to carry over 70 become. You have to add with that. Understand? Shall we take a big number, challenging problem? Using the same technique, you have to take more number of digits. For example, this number. Can you try left to right? Please try, ma. From left to right, there are 6-digit number. 6,86,534. Can you multiply from left to right? Those who have answer, please stand up. Yeah, wait. Those who have answer, stand up. Very good. You can check the answers. Okay. 6 4s are 24. Yeah, here we have 6 into 4, 24. So 2 big, 4 small. 4 means 40. Now 8 4s are 8 4s are 32. Add 30 with 40. 72. Now 6 4s are 24. Add 24 with 20. 44. And 5 4s are. Add 20 with 40. 60. 3 4s are. Add 12. Here 0 only, so 12. 4 4s are 16. With 20. 36. Do you get this answer? Yes, sir. All the best. All the best. Please sit down. So I will give one more problem to you. Can you try in mind? Yes, sir. Yeah, take this. A challenging problem in front of you. Please take this. Try to give answer. How? Okay, wait. If you have answer, please stand up. Left to right. Those who have answer from left to right, please stand up. Yeah, 6 7 sir, 42. 2 carry out. And 24, so 40, sorry. This is 4, correct? Yeah, 6, so 42, 24. So 44, 36, 76, 30, 90, 48. Yeah, 98. Do you get this answer? Yeah. Yeah, you are great, sir. You are great. Can you take all the best, man? Can you take this problem as a challenge? Six 5, 4 5, 7 4 into 4. Let's see the answers now. 2, 6, 2, 6, 1, 8, 2, 9 6. Yes, sir, 9 6. Do you understand? Wow, all the best, all the best. Sit down. Now, you have to, if you are ready to spell answer, like me. When the question is given, I started to give answer like that. What? 2, 8, 6, 1, 8, 2, 9 6. So before computer display on the screen, you have to spell digit wise. If anybody ready, please stand up. Let's take a challenge. Okay. Before the computer display the numbers, you have to spell the answers. Anybody ready? Digit wise you have to spell. You have to spell digit wise. Please stand up. Can you spell the answer digit wise? Yes, stand up, ma. Those ready to spell digit wise, you can stand up. How to spell? I will tell you. Here the question is started with 6,54,576. So the answer started with lakhs means 10 lakhs the answer should start. So you have to spell 26 lakhs. Yes, 18,000. Yes, 296. So you have to spell the answer before computer display. Do you understand? Anybody else ready to spell like that? 1, 2, stand up. 3, stand up. 4, ready. Come on. See the question now. The next question I am going to give you. Don't do anything. No paper pen. You have to take the question in mind and try to spell the answer.